So you're here because either you own a Galaxy Watch or you're planning to buy one, and both the cases, I'm going to show you the coolest features, the hidden settings that nobody ever notices because they're just buried deeper than Atlantis, and I'm going to make you fall in love with your watch again. This is your must-see how to page. I highly recommend you hit that subscribe button right now. So yes, let's get on with it, and the best one for last. So you probably use the regular modes in your Galaxy Watch like sleep, driving, the theater mode, but these are just the basics. Check this out. For example, I have an Android Auto mode which turns on when my phone connects to my car for Android Auto, and this turns off always on display and raise to wake, so no more watch distractions while I'm driving, especially in the night. See, basically you can just open modes and routines, add mode, and say create a mode for your office where the watch goes to silent when you reach office, and yeah, it's very handy. I've even created something like dynamic watch faces which changes my watch face depending on the location I'm at. So quirky at home, classy at work, fitness focused at the gym, so I only see this watch face every year once. And here's the most creative one. See this condition I've put? Now whenever my phone's battery gets below this, the watch face keeps reminding me to charge it. Next up is something for people who really like the Galaxy Watch, they find it useful, but also want that touch of a traditional watch. See, basically all you need to do is set up analog dial watch face. Yeah, I'll leave a link to this in the description. And now to kind of complete things, just turn on these settings. Just go to watch settings, sounds and vibration, system sounds, and turn the ticking option on. Yeah, this brings out the ticking sound, and it's very subtle, audible only in quiet places, but surprisingly real, giving you that old school vibe. Now below that is the pendulum watch feature to chime after perfect hours. Great for someone who wants to keep track of every passing hour. Oh, so we all love gestures, but these have some really underrated gestures that nobody is using. And I'm not talking about my personal favorite, the double pin gesture. Just open your Galaxy Watch settings, go to button and gestures, scroll to the bottom, and here just enable this knock gesture. Now you can knock on an imaginary table to add reminders quickly, open say calculator, or basically any other app of your choice. Another cool gesture is this one, and I know you use it to scroll in pages, but there's actually more to it. Did you know that you can use this to control the brightness of the torch, zoom in or out in the camera, switch lenses in the camera, and with the haptics, this is awesome. So displays on the Galaxy Watches have become really good, but these are still tiny, just like your regular watches. So the point I'm trying to make is when you're getting a call, you really have to look and see who's calling. And not many people know that you can add the pictures of your contacts in the Galaxy Watch. See, for this, you need to open contacts on a Samsung phone, open a contact and use add the photo option to, well, add the photo. Now, every time they call, their face will pop up on your watch like this, and this is just way better. Now we all know that you can download different watch faces from the Play Store, add your own pictures as watch faces, but did you know that you can even add GIFs as watch faces? GIFs as watch faces. Jo bhi hota hai. Just go to the Galaxy wearable app on your phone, go to watch faces, go to photos, go to background, and here choose any GIF or GIF. And this is how a GIF or GIF looks like on the Galaxy Watch. In fact, you can even make an album, so every tab brings a new GIF, and we all know that there are millions of GIFs, GIFs, and GIFs to match your infinite vibes. I'm sorry. Now all these fancy features are fun until your battery dies, and trust me, that happens a lot on these Wear OS smartwatches. And that's where you need these 3 battery saving tricks. First up, your watch keeps listening for Hey Google 24/7, yeah, privacy, and this drains a lot of battery. So just go to settings, go to Google, Assistant, and turn off Hey Google. Now Assistant will still work with a button when you want, so not an issue, at least for me. Now I think people don't know is the watch frequently syncs your steps with the phone frequently. And this again takes a lot of battery. Who cares if the watch is syncing your steps frequently or not frequently? So just go to Samsung Health, go to Steps, turn this off, and yeah, save some juice. Now third one is for emergencies. What's the worst thing? You go for an unplanned trip, your smartwatch dies, and that's where you need to buy an analog watch. And this is where the watch only feature comes in. See, this literally kills every other feature except time display. So when you push the home button, you only see the time. Yeah, your smartwatch becomes not so smart, but hey, this lasts for 5 days. Okay, let's face it, glancing at your messages on your smartwatch is a very handy feature, but not very handy when someone is peeking at your screen, and that someone is me and you don't even know where I'm looking. So here's a way to hide all the notification details. Go to watch settings, go to notifications, go to advanced notification settings and turn this off. Now your notifications will look like this. I also know people who hate this notification dot constantly reminding you to check the notifications. Well, you can turn it off from here, easy. Lastly, we all love really cool watch faces, so here's one app with the coolest watch faces ever. I'm talking about the Rotate Dial Watch Face app, and the reason I like this so much is because this brings the OG Moto 360 inspired watch face, and just look at how uniquely it displays the time. The dials always rearranged to show you time at the center, and the calendar complication is also pretty handy. What I also like about Rotate is that its Explore section has some of the most iconic watch faces. For example, this concentric watch face from the Pixel watches that we all love. Lastly, there's one important feature you need to turn on in your Galaxy Watch. I mean, we all listen to stories of Apple Watches saving lives. Well, turns out the Galaxy Watch 2 has the fall detection feature. It's just that you need to turn it on from here. And once you've turned it on, in the case of a fall, your watch will play a warning sound. And it will also call your emergency contact and text your location with an SOS message. Yeah, this is something you should definitely use, and these are all the Galaxy Watch features and hidden settings that I think are really handy. But if there's something I missed out on or something you know that others should know, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget that bell icon. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.